now it is 9 o'clock in the night, and from the morning for which we are waiting for has come now. Let us check it out. www.incometax.gov.in. Income tax new website has been activated, and we can see the first look. Let us go ahead and see the first look of the website. Home, individual, salaried employees, guidance for salaried people. Likewise, they have given guidance for business or profession, senior citizens, super senior citizens, non-residents, HUF. Similarly for companies also, for guidance purpose, they have given all the details here. Guidance to file ITR, written forms, tax slabs, all those things. Similarly for foreign company also, they have given the same thing. Non-company, that is AOP, BOI, trust and everything, same kind of thing they have given for guidance. Then for professionals, another thing, I think they have to register again. Professionals need to register again, I think so. And external agencies also will have to register again. And even for tax collection and tax deduction, they have given separately. I think we need to register it again. We have to check it once it is fully functional. So let us go to login. How we have to see. I have very great confusion that whether we need to again register in the new website, or we can straight away log in with our old password, login ID and password. But when I go for login page, you can see here that nothing is mentioned, means what to type where. Here they are saying star mark, but there is no heading. So exactly I do not know whether I have to put my PAN number here or here, might be here, but I have to check it out. And if you see here, TAN followed by 6 digits, all these things they have entered here, but I have to see what can be entered here. Let me check with some kind of PAN number. Here I am entering a PAN number. Let me see. I don't know what is happening. Nothing is happening here. Again, let us click it again. Yeah, now it has come here. But again, this is your personalized message, which I think they have to work something on it. It is not coming clearly. I think here we need to enter password or login. Now some changes has to be done. Otherwise, it is quite confusing whether we can use this one or not. Login is not good. I think further improvements need to be made. Let us see the register option, how it looks. No, yeah. So let's get started. It has come. Then taxpayer others. They're asking for PAN. Let us enter PAN. Validate. Some message has come, but do not know what is that message. So again, in register also some work. This PAN has already been registered. That means PAN holders do not have to register it again. Means the registration continues from previous website. They do not have to register it again. At least here it is clear that it is showing some message, but at the time of login it was really messy. They have to do something to correct it. Maybe whenever new websites are launched, this kind of problem comes. Over a period of time only this kind of websites get stabilized. So when income tax has brought on a new website, definitely it will be having a very good quality, but initial stage problems will always be there. So don't have to criticize and all those things. It takes time. This is the way things will be implemented. Immediately things will not be as perfect. Based on being such a big website, something need to be adjusted in the sense some things may not work properly on a real-time basis. So that login part is one thing which need to be corrected. And you can see here your downloads have come. If you press download, you will get all the forms. ITR 1, ITR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all forms are there. Then DSC management utility is available here. So it's quite arranged kind of platform, not not much uh, not much difficulty to identify what is where, quite clear. And they have given one guide also, view guided tour of the new portal. You can see here also, this is quite good website. Only thing is, over a period of time it will become better. Our services, you can see here, our services, our success enablers, new Cindy campaign, and a lot of things are there. And all the services of income tax department are listed here. I think this will be kind of e-pay tax, just to connect to NSDL might be there. Yeah, exactly, e-pay tax. Then know your PAN, know your TAN, know your income tax status, e-file. So, acknowledgement number, mobile number, and you can get the status. So quite beautifully arranged, I will say. I'll congratulate the income tax department for bringing out such a beautiful website. It looks good, it looks pretty, and it's neatly arranged. Nothing like uh, too much of things on a single website. This looks good. Verify your PAN, full name, date of birth. Okay, like, I like this website really. The kind of coloring and texture they have kept it, and they have given a different this also look also means you can zoom it, you can zoom out. It is available in English. It is available only in English language. Here callers, there is a, see here they have given all the information where all you can contact them for what purpose. So overall I'll say it's quite a good arrangement. They have done a very good job. The income tax department people have done a really good job. But only I felt, yeah, now the login has come. Now it looks good. Previously it was not coming properly. Now it has come. So just enter here, continue, login. Beautiful. Please confirm your secure access message. What is that secure access message? Okay. Enter password for your e-filing account. Let us see what. Now I enter the password. Then I am pressing continue. Oh, invalid password. Just let me check again. Let us enter the password again. And press continue. Let us see how the login page looks like. It's taking some more time. Let us see. Let's wait. Quite anxious, quite interested. Oh my god, again error. Something seems to have gone wrong while processing your request. Please try again. If error persists, quote error number ITDEXEC 2002 when you contact customer care for quick resolution. But it should have gone in, it should have logged in. The password was right. But that's what I said. Initially there should be some glitches which will be corrected later on. Maybe by tomorrow I think you can see a better login process. So this is what the new income tax website looks like. Thank you for watching, and be connected to see further updates. Thank you.